Hi, I'm Swamini Valli, the Pillai Center priestess performing the fire labs for the Pillai Center's Manifest with Fire program. People in both the fundamental and personalized levels receive 3 group fire labs for the month, which are scheduled for favorable times. People in personalized also receive an individual fire lab for an archetype of their choice, related to a current goal they are working on. I schedule those based on the person's birth star and/or a favorable time for the archetype, making sure the time is mutually convenient for both myself and the member. With the group fire labs, there is a strong energy of unity within the group. Unity in prayers is a powerful energy, and this helps everyone to go deeper. People have shared stories of seeing various archetypes in the fire, and also told stories of experiencing some deep insights during a group fire lab. They have also shared positive results, such as improvements in career, in relationships, in cash flow, in health, in their spiritual life, as well as other goals they were working on. Dr. Pillai has such a strong focus on this program, producing effective results for those who sign up. I like that he has taught me to invoke archetypes of several traditions, and it feels very smooth to invite divine beings of different traditions to pour their blessings through the fire to the members. The individual ones are very intimate, as they are just myself and the member. I am able to personalize and customize the prayers to the person's goal. Some people have had very profound results, such as a favorable legal ruling or increase in orders at their business. "More than I can handle," said one lady. "I have to get more materials to fill these orders." Positive movement in debt reduction, and so forth. One man reported an unexpected benefit of just becoming relaxed. He had been struggling with insomnia for a while. Just having his anxiety dissolve during the fire lab was a miracle to him. Dr. Pillai has taught rest cures. Some people have asked me my experience during a fire lab. I usually laugh and say, well, I am focused on keeping the fire going. However, seriously, it is truly a great blessing to be allowed to perform this service, and I am deeply grateful to Dr. Pillai, the archetypes, the entire Pillai Center team, and all those who have signed up for the program. I am currently doing these fire pit fire labs in New Mexico, USA. The land here has had actively spiritual, indigenous people offering prayers to divine beings for centuries. This is an amazing vortex. May the Holy Spirit enkindle the fire of divine love in our hearts now and always. I look forward to meeting many more people in the Manifest with Fire program.